The thing goes.
Welcome back to my channel. It's BOSSBABE CAFÉ. Yes guys, tuturuan ko kayo, teach you how to use this Tempo app and how to download it. Sa mga bago po dyan, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button also guys. So let's begin. Okay, first you need to go to Google Store and download the Tempo. Type it into the search bar Tempo. So you need to install it. Ayan, medyo maghintay tayo ng matagal kasi mabagal po ang aking internet connection. My internet connection is like, wow, super bagal po. While waiting for that, you are going, after you download it guys, there's two options. You can, the open, as you can see the open. If you can see that open guys, it turned green after you download it, fully download it. And then, there's two options, you know. You can exit to the Google Play, or you can go to your phone and you see, okay, as you can see, you have the logo, which is the Tempo logo. You click that right away. So that's the two options also guys. And this is for free, like free trial only guys, no? And you need to pay it. Be careful also. So yeah. Two options again, you need to open directly to the Google Play, or you can click into your application to your phone. Yes, after you click that, you see the pop dance, click the pop dance and unlock for free, click that also. Yes, unlock for free, only one picture, click that and then agree and continue. After you agree, click retry and agree, continue again. Then start uploading pictures. Be sure that you have ready pictures, clear and clear shot pictures, guys, so they can do the swap, face swap. I'll choose the clear pictures also. Yeah. See, I have stock photos. After that, you need to wait for another 100%. I think you need to wait at least, depends on your internet connection, like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, they do the swapping now. I speak English and Tagalog guys because my other audience also, viewers also is coming from international. Hope you can understand my English also guys, okay? Yes, we'll wait for another 1 minute. After you download, after the export, you can go and watch your face swap. Yeah, 99%. 99%. Then you're good to go guys. You can, this is your video and your face is there now already. So you can download to you can share it into TikTok, WhatsApp, any Instagram or Facebook, any other social media. Yeah, all you have to do is just click those icons and you're good to go guys. So this is, I think this is a TikTok viral made by Andrea Brillantes. So yeah, there's a lot of people also just copying this one to face swap also. A lot of social app you can share it guys. So it's easy, but be careful for this app because there's a lot of ads. If you are not going to avail this application, be careful with the ads also guys, okay? So until our next